আলাইকুম। যারা খুব সহজে ইংরেজি শিখতে চান এবং আমাদের সাথে স্পোকেন ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিস করতে চান, এই ভিডিওটা তাদের জন্য। আমি এখানে বেশ কিছু অবজেক্টস রেখেছি। আজকে আমাদের এই ভিডিওতে এই অবজেক্টসগুলোকে আমরা ইংরেজিতে উপস্থাপন করার চেষ্টা করব, এটা সম্পর্কে ডিসক্রাইব করার চেষ্টা করব। সো আর দেরি না করে লেটস স্টার্ট ইট। Hello everyone, welcome back to my spoken English practice. Today I have some interesting objects in front of me. Let's talk about them one by one. First of all, look at this coin. This is a round silver coin. We usually use this coin to buy some things. For example, if I go to shop, I can give this coin to pay for something. So, this is a coin. Next, here is a brown wallet. It is made of leather. A wallet is used to keep money, cards, or small papers safe. I can open it and I can put some money inside. So this is a wallet. It's called a brown wallet. Then now look at this dark wallet. This is also used for keeping money, but it looks a little different because it has two metal button on it. When I press this button, it open. So this is a wallet. It's colored dark wallet. Now here I have a pen. It's an orange pen. It can use it to write on paper. If we want to write our name, we take the pen and write our name. So this is a pen. It's colored brown. Finally, look at this watch. This is a beautiful, elegant watch. It look like very smart and it's look like very smart. I watch tell us the time. I can wear it on my hand. For example, if I want to know the time, I look at my watch. So this is a watch. So today practice speaking with 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects: a coin, a dark colored wallet, a brown color wallet, a watch, and a pen. You can also look around your room and pick some objects. Try to speak about them in English, just like I did. This is a very good way to improve your English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next practice session. Thank you so much.